How to use the slash commands in the search bar of your Microsoft Teams application. So, hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can utilize the slash commands like a pro in the search bar of your Microsoft Teams interface. So, currently, I'm demonstrating this demo using my Windows laptop, and you can follow through the same. So, this particular activity helps you save a ton of time, especially when you need to change your status and do other frequent and repetitive tasks. So let me show you how you can do this. So the first thing that we're going to do is explore the possible commands that we can do by typing in the slash. So to do that, go to the search bar and type in a forward slash, and you will see these available commands like available, away, busy, DND, BRB, offline, and goto. So if you want to set your status to any of these, you can simply utilize them by clicking onto the same. So for example, let's say if I want to set my status as busy, I'm simply gonna click onto this busy option, and now you can see this message that says your status is being set to busy. Now if I want to again set my status as available, I'm simply going to type in the forward slash, and I can either type in or simply select the available option. And now you can notice the green dot that appears here, which states that I am currently available. So that's how easily you can utilize the forward slash command in the search bar of your Microsoft Teams interface. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, do make sure to give it a like and also smash the subscribe button. Thanks for being here and have a wonderful day.